Meaning of dominate.
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 Dominate. The word dominate means to have power and control over something or someone. It implies a position of superiority, where the dominating party exercises their influence to make decisions and direct the actions of others. When one entity dominates another, the dominated party is typically subservient and follows the lead of the dominant party. This can result in an imbalance of power dynamics and can lead to unfair treatment. In general, domination involves the exertion of authority and influence, often resulting in one party holding the upper hand over another.